And this morning, I learned I tested positive for COVID-19 as well. I want to take this opportunity to remind Canadians to please get vaccinated.
We've even got people supporting us as we
our rally,
supporting our convoy as we go up to the convoy.
Funny, eh?
I know you're wondering about what you saw in our capital city this weekend. Hate can never be the answer.
You don't need it.
Over the past few days, Canadians were shocked and frankly disgusted by the behavior displayed by some people protesting in our nation's capital. I want to be very clear. We are not intimidated by those who hurl insults and abuse at small business workers and steal food from the homeless. We won't give in to those who fly racist flags. We won't cave to those who engage in vandalism or dishonor the memory of our veterans. There is no place in our country for threats, violence, or hatred. So to those responsible for this behavior, it needs to stop. To anyone who joined the convoy but is rightly uncomfortable with the symbols of hatred and division on display, join with your fellow Canadians. Be courageous and speak out. Do not stand for or with intolerance and hate. And to Canadians at home, watching in disgust and disbelief at this behavior, wondering how this could have happened in our nation's capital after everything we've been through together, we're in your corner. All of you are the story of this pandemic, not the convoy. This government will continue to have your backs.
Canada, we stand.